Replace a standard car radio antenna. Traveling can be stressful even if you have your own car. The stress is intense if there's a heavy traffic and you're in a hurry. Listening to music is one effective way to combat boredom and stress when you're traveling in your car. If you forgot your tapes, CDs, or flash drive that contains your MP3s, then listen to the radio. If your car radio doesn't have an antenna, or if it's busted, then the guides below will help you on how to replace a standard car radio antenna. Remove the car's existing antenna. Determine the location of the antenna's opening by assessing it or by looking at the manual. Use a needle nose pliers or a wrench to remove the antenna. It will loosen up the nut on the antenna mast space, which houses the antenna. Remove the antenna mast. Open the antenna mast's underside to locate the antenna. Pull out the antennal coaxial cable of your car radio. It is the solid wire that connects the car's interior to the antenna. Unplug the antenna coaxial cable. Unplug it from the car's extension coaxial cable. This is a cable that connects the car radio to the antenna. If there's a short distance from the radio to the antenna mount, then there might be no extension coaxial cable. If that's the case, unplug the coaxial cable from the antenna lead that can be found at the back of the radio. Remove the coaxial cable. Take note of the route that the cable follows so you can install the new cable easily. Read the new antenna's manual. Every quality antenna has a manual. If you've bought a pre-owned or a lower quality antenna, ask an experienced car technician or owner to give you a know-how. You can also read DIY books or visit websites to get information. Inspect the car's fender area. There must be no rust where the antenna mast will be mounted. So clean the fender area before installing the new antenna. Plug the car stereo's new coaxial cable. Plug it into your car's extension coaxial cable. There are Ford and General Motors cars that will require you an adapter so the two cables of your car stereo can be connected together. You can buy these cables at your local car audio stores at cheaper price. Direct the new antenna cable into the old antenna cable route. Plug the cable into the lead antenna if the stereo doesn't have an extension coaxial cable. Tape or tie the string that you'll put onto the extension cable. This will bind the new coaxial cable and guide them to the fender's antenna mount. Insert the antenna mast into the fender hole. Screw the mast tight enough into the coaxial cable. Also, reposition the retainer nut on the antenna mast space. Securely tighten the retainer nut. Reposition the stereo's cover panel to finish the job. Try the new standard radio antenna of your car. See if it will be working effectively. Try to catch as many stations as it can get. Refer to the antenna's manual if you're experiencing problems. This will also help you check the replacement process.